Otinus PRO, a high-performance class laser cutter, engineered to match the industry's top solutions in power, dynamics, and cutting precision. Bosch Rexroth, control a global leader in industrial automation. Intuitive, fast, and flawlessly precise in every cutting cycle. Linear motors from Bosch Rexroth on all axes. No gears, no backlash, no wear. Positioning speeds up to 1,050 feet per minute. Acceleration up to 4.2G. Electric energy converted directly into motion, maximum dynamics, and full control. Linear guides with integrated measuring scales ensure durability and resistance to contamination. Magnetic absolute encoders eliminate the need for referencing the machine. Always knows its position. Real positioning accuracy up to 0.002 inches. The Precitech Pro Cutter 2.0 cutting head, built to handle high laser power with total stability. Autofocus and intelligent sensors monitor piercing, pressure, and temperature in real time. A simultaneous pallet exchange system, 2 tables, 1 smooth motion, fully synchronized and perfectly stable. The entire exchange takes just 10 seconds. That's real production speed. Every Otinus PRO was manufactured in Poland, from raw steel to a fully assembled machine. We control every stage of production to guarantee top European build quality and long-term reliability. The monolithic steel frame is machined on large-scale gantry milling centers. Each surface is finished with micron precision to ensure maximum rigidity and stability. A lightweight aluminum beam provides exceptional dynamics and stiffness. The integrated extraction collector automatically opens the airflow zone directly under the laser head, effectively removing smoke and dust. Safety is ensured by SICK light barriers. Machine is reacting instantly to any beam interrupting. Automatic lubrication by SKF, electrical cabinet air conditioning by Riddle, and easy service access, all designed to guarantee stable, safe operation for years to come. Otinus PRO, engineered, built, and perfected in Poland. Call 630-302-1532 or visit otinus.com. Otinus, we serve you.